Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to Healthy and Halal. Today we are making healthy, no bake nuts and seeds brownies. To make this, we need 6 tablespoons of cacao powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder, quarter cup of chia seeds, half cup of pumpkin seeds. So first we'll grind the pumpkin seeds and the chia seeds into fine powder. You will also need 1 cup of almond flour, 1 cup of Deglet Nour dates. To mix these ingredients, we'll need a food processor. So first, go ahead and add the almond flour, add the cacao powder. Now add the pumpkin seeds and chia seeds fine powder that we had prepared. Add the vanilla powder. Go ahead and start the food processor. Now check if the ingredients are blended well. Go ahead and add the dates. Blend these for a couple of minutes until everything is mixed well. So now looks like the mixture is blended well. Now pour the mixture into a baking dish and press it down so that it stays nice and firm. So before we start refrigerating the brownies, we would have to layer it with chocolate sauce. To make the chocolate sauce, we need 1 cup of chocolate chips. I'll be using a microwave to melt the chocolate chips. Layer the brownie base with the chocolate sauce. Sprinkle some vanilla powder over it and refrigerate for 2 hours. After 2 hours, brownies look perfect. I hope you learned something new today. If you like this recipe, share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then go ahead and do it now so that you don't miss any of my recipes. All right, guys, see you in the next video. Take care. Peace.